Do you find yourself with a lot of plums and not knowing how to process them? Well, today I'm going to show you one of the 3 ways that we've processed our plums this year on the homestead. And then you'll want to come back to find out the other 2 unique ways that we use our plums on our homestead. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy and welcome to City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than a motto, it is our way of life. In this series, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that we preserve plums on our homestead. This is one of 5 of our trees. This one has very tiny little plums that has a tart skin and a sweet fruit, and we turn these into jam. We have other trees that we also turn into jam, and one that has a very sweet berry that we turn into juice that can be used either as a refreshing drink, in recipes, or you can turn it into jelly. Come along with me today and I'll show you one of the ways that we're doing our plums this year. Farmer uses this large harvesting bag when picking from our orchard. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to learn when we upload our current videos. Also, share on social media. Be part of helping this channel grow. Today we're processing our sweet plums. These are different than some of our other plum trees. They're not tart, they're very sweet. We're going to make plum juice for the kids to drink instead of drinking something less nutritious like Kool-Aid or something. So here's a big bowl. We've had 2 of these big bowls, and I've gotten some of them halfway processed into our juicer. This is a Norpro professional stainless steel juicer steamer, and we have it about halfway filled with our plums. Getting juice out of the juicer, getting it ready to can and preserve. Here are the leftover stones and skins for the next project. Now I have to warm the juice back up, and so that all of my canning stuff is at the same temperature. I will boil my jars in my canner. They've already been washed. I just need to heat them, and then I'll get it going. Be sure to leave a 1/2-inch headspace on your jars. Here I have my canning funnel with the built-in guide. I couldn't find them anymore online, but I have found another type and I'll link it below. Wipe off the rim before you place on your canning lid. And your ring. And you hand tighten it. So here we have to very carefully pick it up, put it back in the thing where it was. Good job. Awesome job, Mr. C. These are going to process in the water bath canner for 25 minutes. Here is our finished product. I gave 1 jar away to my niece, and this front one is going in the refrigerator. Beautiful jars of fruit juice. Now for the taste test. Sweet juice poured over crushed ice. Now let's give it a try. Skål! Delicious and refreshing taste of summer. Thank you for stopping by the homestead, and as always, happy homesteading adventures.